Good afternoon, folks. I hope you're having a wonderful evening on this Monday evening as it's a little bit of calm as it looks a little peaceful out there right now, and those temperatures definitely are peaceful. We do have a wind advisory in effect, and you're going to feel those winds coming up here soon. But at the moment, we are at the day two SPC consecutive outlook. We are under a slight risk. This will likely change within the next coming hours and into tomorrow morning, and that is a level 2 out of 5 risk. But our tornado probability is at 2%, but not 0. I want to point that out because the type of storm that we're dealing with is a QLCS type cluster that will be moving through, and I'll get to that more in a moment. But that could do a brief spin up tornado, so do not rule out a tornado in this. But it is not as predominant as our main threat is damaging winds, as we are at a 15% chance of damaging winds, and that will be our primary concern throughout the system and really this week as well. But hail, nothing really to worry about as it's at 5%. But as we look at the 18Z HRRR precipitation type, you can see it moving in around 7 to 8 a.m. And so this will cause a little bit of issues on your morning commute, and visibility is going to be very poor. So you definitely want to be careful out there with those strong winds and rain. Now, we will see some wraparound snow possible. How much could we see from this? Well, possibly up to an inch, but I'll talk about that more in just a second. Going back to the wind gusts, you can see that we almost, and we do reach 50-mile-an-hour wind gusts at one point, and so that's definitely going to be a big concern for us. But something really interesting that we could see with this lightning flash density is about all amount of lightning kind of going on while it's happening. And so at the end there, you could see in the wraparound low, there was a little bit of hint of it. So you could see some thunder snow. But looking at 12Z GFS precipitation type, you can see that we get through that first system, but then we have some snow potential over the weekend as well. And that'll be Sunday, so we're still, or Saturday, excuse me. So we're still very far out from that, and that could bring about maybe 2 inches in our northern parts of our coverage area, but really it's going to be more of a southwest Missouri storm, I do believe. Mind you, it will be, it's over a week out almost, so things will change and I'll update as that comes in. And so it shouldn't be too impactful on, the snow shouldn't be too impactful, not only on Saturday, but as well as Sunday, on Saturday. Climate Prediction Center, you saw that we were above average on temperatures and precipitation outlook. We were about below average, which is, for me, that's nice personally. I prefer a little bit less rain. I know that's kind of crazy to hear. But 7 day outlook, once again, some nicer temperatures right now, but that's going to change. As you can see, we dropped very low. Wednesday and Thursday, we do see that snow potential, or Wednesday, excuse me, we do see that snow potential. Wednesday and Thursday, though, we have those cooler temperatures arriving. But look at the bottom part of the 7 day there. You can see those winds are going to be really high. And those, okay, if you don't have any furniture, outdoor furniture that's not strapped down or brought inside, then you more than likely will not see that piece of furniture again, to be quite honest with you. So, looking at the Joplin 7 day, you can see that once again, same story, but Saturday a bit more rain or snow potential. And like I said, I do think that it will be primarily snow on Saturday and could cause a little bit of hazards to the roads, but it's still too far out to say. So, stay safe, folks, and I hope you have a great rest of your week and have a good one.